We start to talk about second part of Russian consonants. We will talk about false friends. False friends. Just want to remind you, it means that they sound different, but they look similar, like English letters, for example. So let's get started. Please be extremely careful and don't be confused. So, the first letter, this is the letter N, and sound is N, 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 just N, as the letter N in the word nuts, nuts, just N, N. Next letter is the letter V, and sound is V, 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 like in this word, vase. Please be careful, it doesn't sound like W, like in many English words, да? Not W, that not like the letter W we usually read in many English words. The transcription is like this, and the sound is just V, 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 like vase. The next letter is our special letter, special sound, I mean. The letter is R and sound is R, R. So this sound is not like English, R, R. Let's try to feel the difference. Let's try to hear the difference between them. It's not R. This sound, Russian one, sounds like R, 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 like tiger says like this, da? R, R. The more you speak, the more you listen to some examples, at least listen to me, when I'm reading some new words or phrases, the easier you will understand the difference between English and Russian sounds, and the easier way you can learn new letters and learn new sounds. So, this sound is not completely the same like in this word, red, да? I told you, this letter we need to pronounce a little different. R, R, R. So, a little later, as usual, I will show you more examples. The next letter is the letter S, S, and sound is S, S, S. We read this letter only like this. It's not like English letter C that we read in two different ways depending on its position in word. The letter S we always read like S, 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 like in this word, some, for example. The next one, be careful please, this is the letter H, H, and sound is H, H, H. It's not X, not X, or how do these letters sound in your native language. Not only English, I mean. So the letter is H, H, and sound is H, H, like this letter, the letter H, in this word, hat, hat. Not completely the same, but these sounds are a little similar. Just H, H. Let's practice in reading. First, we start with combination of letters. Our new consonants plus vowels. Let's try to read line by line. This line, let's read. Na, no, nu, ne, ni. Next line. Va, vo, vu, ve, vi. I just want to remind you, it's not w, not wa, wo, and so on. It's like sound v you see here in the transcription. V, v, v. It should be pronounced like this. Next line, let's read. Ra, ro, ru, re, ri. not r, ra, ro, ru. Try to pronounce it correctly from the beginning. It will sound like r, ra, ro, ru, re, ri. The next letter and the next line is this one. Sa, so, su, se, si. Just sound s. And the last one. Ha, ho, hu, he, hi. So that's it. Let's try to read more difficult combination of letters when two consonants are together without any vowels between them. So it might be a little difficult, but anyway, let's try to read them. Nra, vna, vra, sna. Next line, the second line, let's read it. Svo, sho, хно, рво. The next line. Вху, сну, хну, рву. So that's it. And just want to remind you that we read every letter. We don't reduce consonants. We never reduce consonants. So you see 3 letters and you need to pronounce all of them. So, and some new words. These words you see contain our new letters. So, сон, сон, хор, хор, and вор, вор. That's it. Nothing difficult. We continue to talk about false friends and one more examples. And I hope that you can memorize the meanings of some of these words. Let's read some of them once again. Сон, сон, нос, нос, мост, мост, вор, вор. So, these words contain true friends and false friends, these consonants from 2 groups of consonants, true and false friends. So be extremely careful with these letters that look similar, like in English language, but they sound different, like son, n, da? Want to remind you, the last letter is the letter N, and sound is N, N, son, nos, most, вор.